What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the rule of thirds. So let's get into it. I'm assuming a lot of you know what a tic-tac-toe board is. So I'll put one on screen right now. And a tic-tac-toe board is just a grid, so like that, and then two across. So two down, two across, and they all intersect. So that makes a really easy grid to, play the game and stuff like that. But the cool thing is, you probably didn't realize that also can be used for photography. So that grid is called the rule of thirds. Where the points intersect is where we're gonna put stuff in our photos. This is a really important thing, and honestly speaking, it's one of the main things you need to know. And obviously there's other information, but this is the thing that you should know more than anything. And this is how I started out, just knowing this and a few other small things here and there that I've covered in my other videos. So the rule of thirds essentially means that if I'm standing over here, then this is something that I could put over here, and then if I have like a building or something else, it would go here. And that means the rule of thirds means I'll be over here, and that's the most important part, which is me, obviously, because I'm trying to be the focus of the photo. And for example, like eyes would be the point as well. So if you put it on the upper points, then you'll have more composition in terms of like you'll fill the frame more. There's a lot of different things that you have to look at, but it depends on what examples you're trying to look at. For example, landscapes, portraits, animals, everything. But essentially it's all similar as well. The rule of thirds also means that you can align things in a certain way. So you want to have certain things be straight on one of the axes. So for example, the rightmost or leftmost would be something where you want to put like a building, for example, like the CN Tower, or the Burj Khalifa or something like that. Something that you don't want to have right in the middle, because in the middle it looks awkward. There's something on the left, something on the right, but either way it kind of looks off unless you have like a wide angle. That's something where it change. Overall, you want to employ the rule of thirds as much as possible, because that'll give you the best composition and the best look for most of your photos. I'll put some other examples on screen to illustrate what I'm trying to say, but that's essentially what you want to do. Is you want to use this, and you want to kind of take all your shots with that in mind. And honestly speaking, for example, DSLRs and even phones, you can turn on the rule of thirds grid, and that grid will help you immensely for framing. And even if you just want to play around with it, you can at least figure out how to make it work and how it'll really help your photos. So even if you take flowers close up, for example, you want to put it on the intersection of two of the points. So stuff like that will really help you level up your photography, and especially really quickly. That's how I learned, and that's how some people learn really quickly and learn how to create good photos and composition. So even though it's a really quick video, it's something that's really important. If you all want more detail, I'll make some more content, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and got value out of it. Please like, follow, and subscribe down below. Follow me on social media like TikTok, Instagram. I have everything, and I'd really love to interact with all of you. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.